Welcome to the world famous party island that doesn't sleep day or night, where you will be impressed by numerous beautiful beaches that you will fall in love at first sight. It's Ibiza, called Ibiza by the locals. It's an island of paradise. It can be calm, it can be a little bit crazy. It's so different but so wonderful at the same time. Today I'm going to show you some cool places that you will like for sure. The first place is amazing and one of the most beautiful beaches, Cala Tarida. It's located in the western part of Ibiza. This beach is considered privileged among tourists. It is about 12.5 kilometers from the popular town San Antonio Abad, and it is 21 kilometers from the city Ibiza. Cala Tarida is one of the most beautiful beaches on the island. Some distinctive features of Cala Tarida are three protruding reefs that are clearly visible from the coastline. Even though the seashore is divided by several reefs, all these beaches share the same name, the beaches of Tarida. I have brought red papaya, also known as dragon fruit, to enjoy the unique ambience of the beach. These fruits grow on liana-shaped cactuses. The papaya has a soft, juicy center with a tender taste. It's possible to eat it with the seeds. The entire bay of Cala Tarida has a flat, sandy bottom, making it very easy to enter the sea. I can stare at this stunning view forever. Besides beaches and parties, there are lots of attractions in Ibiza. For instance, it has one of the most mysterious monuments of modern art, which is located outdoors, named Time and Space, the Speed of Light. This monument is made up of 13 columns of different heights that are arranged in a semicircle. Last year it was the most photographed place on the island. This monument was designed by a famous Australian sculptor, Andrew Rogers. The sponsor is one of the most powerful people in the world, Canadian guy LenaLunaEng, that is famous for being a founder of Circus of the Sun. He also became the 7th space tourist in history, traveling to space with a clown nose. One of the explanations for this monument is that the columns represent the planets that are moving around the Sun. I highly recommend that you visit this. This is another monument not so far from this one called the Doors. They just look like random doors in the fields, but a better name for them is the doors to paradise. Romantic people never miss the opportunity to propose in this mysterious place. The view from this boulder is awe-inspiring. This beauty is Ibiza. One more place I want to share with you is Cafe Sunsetas Shram. It's located on the edge of the Cala Conta beach. The sea view from here is fantastic. During the day you can enjoy live DJ sets in the cafe, and in the evenings you can gaze at amazing sunsets. It's a wonderful place to spend the day and watch a sensational sunset. But today is a super windy day. The strong wind knocks me off my feet. The lapping sea waves totally cover the beach, so it's not very enjoyable now. Although the cafe opens in about 10 minutes, we will not be staying. Let me share another great place with you, the Cala Comte beaches. They include several bays, Cala Comte and Cala Escondida. These beaches are very popular in summer. Despite the vast number of the visitors, it is worth visiting them. The color of the sea is crystal clear turquoise, the sand is clean, the bottom is smooth and flat. All these features provide an excellent and unforgettable time.
I fell in love with Ibiza because of its beaches. Just look at this turquoise color water. I've already been in Ibiza for 8 days. I like everything here. The beaches, the climate, everything is fantastic here. Ibiza is a paradise.
You can watch this picturesque and beautiful sunset from the cafe just as easily as you can from the beach. Everyone can choose where they want to watch it from. The view is still amazing from both places.
Your mind is clearer than before. Your heart is full and wanting more. Your future's at the door. Give it all you got. No hesitating. You've been waiting.